Hello guys, welcome back to Packages Compare. Today we compare two earbuds which is boAt Immortal 131 versus boAt Immortal 121. So let's see the full video. General, brand, model, design, design type, connectivity, features, Bluetooth, Bluetooth range, USB connectivity, microphone, voice assistant, water resistant, colors, manual, controls, music controls, call controls, additional features, compatible with OS, sound features, deep bass, frequency response, extra features, sales package, inline remote, others, power features, battery life, battery charging time, battery capacity, warranty, warranty, warranty type, cover and warranty, not cover warranty, price, S price USD. Thanks for watching this video. If you have buy this link in the description and any earbuds you compare, please comment in the video and also like, share and subscribe Packages Compare.